Welcome to Demera. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of nature's most colourful creatures. Get ready to have your mind blown by these dazzling animals who prove that nature is the ultimate designer. Let's dive in. First, we have the clownfish. Made famous by a certain animated film, the clownfish is instantly recognizable with its bright orange body, three white bands outlined in black, and adorable goofy grin. They look like they swam straight out of a cartoon, bringing a splash of colour to the coral reefs they call home. But here's a fun fact. Did you know that all clownfish are born male? They have this remarkable ability to switch sex if the dominant female in their group dies. The female clownfish is the boss in the relationship. The anemone, by the way, is a crucial part of the clownfish's life. It provides a safe haven from predators thanks to its stinging tentacles. Next, we're about to meet a primate that's as colourful as it is charismatic, the mandrill. Found in the rainforests of Central Africa, this monkey is like a walking piece of abstract art. Seriously, take a look at that face. It's a riot of colours with bright blue ridges, a bright red nose and a furry yellow beard. And as if that wasn't enough, their behinds are equally colourful, sporting shades of red, blue and purple. These vibrant colours are a sign of dominance and good health. The brighter the colours, the more attractive the male is to females. Mandrills are powerful primates with sharp teeth and a no-nonsense attitude. At 8, get ready to party with the amphibian equivalent of a glow stick. We're headed to the rainforests of Central America to meet the red-eyed tree frog, a creature whose appearance is as striking as its name suggests. Picture this. A vibrant lime green body, bright orange feet that look like tiny flippers, and those signature bulging red eyes. It's like this frog got dressed in the dark, but somehow it totally works. And those red eyes, they're not just for show. They're a defense mechanism known as startle coloration. When a predator approaches, the red-eyed tree frog suddenly opens its eyes wide, flashing those crimson peepers. The sudden burst of colour startles the predator, giving the frog precious seconds to make its escape. They spend most of their time hanging out in trees, clinging to leaves with their sticky toe pads. Next up, we dive into the warm waters of the Pacific Ocean, where we encounter the blue-ringed octopus, a creature that's both mesmerising and a tad intimidating. Now, this little cephalopod might be small, about the size of a golf ball, but it's not one to be messed with. When threatened, its skin erupts in a dazzling display of iridescent blue rings. It's like someone flicked on a neon sign, warning you to back off. And you really should back off. Those flashing blue rings are a clear sign that this octopus is packing some serious venom. We're talking about tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin so potent it can paralyze a human in minutes. So admire this stunning creature from a safe distance and appreciate the delicate balance of power in the underwater world. Next up, we journey to the forests of South Asia, home to a bird that needs no introduction, the magnificent peacock. This avian showman takes the concept of dressing to impress to a whole new level. Seriously, have you ever seen a more extra tail? It's like 100 emerald and sapphire eyes staring back at you. The male peacock uses his dazzling tail to attract a mate. It's all about showing off those impressive genes and proving he's the best catch in town. The female peahen, however, seems less impressed. She'll carefully scrutinize each suitor's plumage, looking for the healthiest and most vibrant display. The peacock's dazzling tail shows the power of natural selection and the irresistible allure of a good show. Now let's shrink things down a bit and venture into the rainforests of Central and South America. Here we encounter the poison dart frog. Don't let its diminutive stature fool you. This tiny amphibian packs a serious punch. We're talking vibrant yellows, electric blues and fiery oranges, often all on the same frog. It's like a walking, hopping warning sign that screams, "Look, but don't touch." These vibrant colours are a defence mechanism, warning predators of the frog's highly toxic skin. Just a single touch can be deadly to some animals. The poison dart frog's toxicity actually comes from its diet, absorbing toxins from the insects they eat. It's a powerful reminder that beauty can be deceiving. Next, the mandarin fish. This little fellow, found flitting amongst the coral reefs of the Pacific Ocean, is a riot of colour. Vivid blues, almost glowing, interweave with fiery oranges and a smattering of greens. It's like an artist took a brush and painted a masterpiece onto this tiny fish. And the best part? No two mandarin fish are exactly alike. Each one boasts a unique pattern, making them even more captivating. These bright colours serve a purpose, acting as camouflage in the dappled sunlight of the reef. Just remember the mandarin fish, a tiny testament to the dazzling creativity of the natural world. Prepare to be dazzled as we journey deep into the Amazon rainforest, home to a bird that's as loud as it is colourful, the scarlet macaw. This iconic parrot is a true spectacle, with plumage so vibrant it could rival a rainbow. We're talking fiery reds, sunshine yellows and deep blues, all blending seamlessly together. These social birds travel in flocks, their calls echoing through the rainforest canopy. Scarlet macaws are highly intelligent creatures. Known for their problem-solving skills and their ability to mimic human speech, they form strong bonds with their mates, often staying together for life. Sadly, these magnificent birds are facing threats due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. It's a reminder that we must protect these colourful creatures and their rainforest home for future generations to enjoy. At 2, we look at a bird that's like a living, breathing rainbow, the rainbow lorikeet. Found in Australia, this parrot is a true kaleidoscope of colours, with every shade imaginable adorning its feathers. Imagine a bird with a head of bright blue, a chest of vibrant green, a belly of sunshine yellow, and wings tipped with orange and red. It's almost too much colour for one bird to handle, but the rainbow lorikeet pulls it off with effortless style. And it's not just their feathers that are colourful, their beaks and legs are bright orange, and their eyes are a piercing red. Rainbow lorikeet has a specialised tongue adapted for feeding on nectar and pollen. Their tongues are covered in tiny, brush-like papillae that collect nectar from flowers. We end our colourful journey by travelling to the island of Madagascar, home to a reptile that's mastered the art of camouflage, the panther chameleon. Forget about mood rings. This chameleon takes colour changing to a whole new level. It takes first place because it can shift between shades of green, blue, orange, red, and even black, often displaying multiple colours at once. The panther chameleon uses its colour-changing abilities to communicate, camouflage itself from predators, and regulate its body temperature. It's even used to describe human personalities and talents. Their eyes, which can move independently, add to their otherworldly charm. They can swivel 360 degrees, scanning their surroundings for prey or potential threats. Once they lock onto their target, they shoot out their long, sticky tongues with lightning speed. You might just spot a panther chameleon blending in with its surroundings, a true master of disguise in the animal kingdom. Thanks for joining us on this colourful journey through the animal kingdom. Until next time, Demera, stay curious.